Okay, guys. So I don't know what I made with this, but I was trying to make like a homemade squishy. I don't know how to make those, so I'm gonna cut it open. I really don't want to. This is really one of my favorite ones that I've made so far. My sister's made better ones. Should I cut it open, guys? I'm gonna go with yes, because my sister makes better ones. I gotta say, this is a great one, but the toothpaste idea was Stephanie. Yes, I added toothpaste. Oh, thankfully I was doing that over my sink. I just want to play. Oh no, I kind of like that squishy. Legit, I kind of like that squishy, guys. Well, now I'm going to have to clean that up. I have to clean it up now. Oh, it's really disgusting, though. Yeah. Hold on. Try not to get it wet. Ugh. Anyway, like, I've made a lot of squishies. Well, definitely a lie. I've made one, okay? It's the truth. I've made at least one. Just like that, but it's green and it has really nice beads in it. Then my sister's made 3 of them. Just saying. Mia, can you grab your squishies from my bed? Can you grab your squishies from my bed? Your squishies, the squishies that you made. I'm doing a video. Please. She's like doing some arts and crafts things, so she's really trying to be delicate with that stuff, so I'm going to have to go grab it, so you guys are going to have to wait. I'm sorry. Don't want to make you wait, but you guys have to wait, okay? Never mind me, I got it. Okay, guys. Got them. Oh, my. Okay. First, I wonder if one of these popped. I really hope not, or else she's going to be mad. Anyway, okay. So, first of all, we're going to go least favorite to favorite. So, my least favorite would be this blue one. It's very squishy. It was kind of like mine, but there's just not enough in there. Very pretty blue. I love the blue. I just really love the blue color. But it's not really like the best squishy. It's actually just my least favorite, but even though it's not such a bad squishy, I still think so. And then my second least favorite, well, no, not my least favorite. I kind of like this one, actually. It's a kind of nice little really dark red. I like to call it lava or blood lava. I just really like it. It's like so ASMR-y. This is perfect for ASMR. Now my favorite. This neon pink is so cute. Guys, comment which one's your favorite. Please comment which one's your favorite. Look how cute this is. Compared to my toothbrush, this is a really cute pink. But this one I think is better. It does not match my shirt. It does not match it. Also, yes, this is my new shirt. You can get it from Walmart. Oh my gosh, it's so ASMR-y. I love this one. Just look at Can it glow in the dark? It looks like it can glow in the dark. I'm going to turn off the light. It cannot glow in the dark. Or you... Wait. Can it? No, it's just in the camera. You guys can kind of see it. This is so weird. Let me just turn on the light real quick. Anyway, no, it does not glow in the dark even though it looks like it. Maybe the others do, but this one don't. Should we test them out? No. Anyway, I just love to do something like, I just love to go like this and then like slap it around. It's just, I would love to cut one of these open, except for this one. But my sister made these, and I have to ask her to cut them open, which I highly doubt. She probably would actually let me cut open the blue one, but still, no way. I think I popped it, guys. No, I didn't. I just love it. And like, if you guys make these in any color, they can be colored ice packs, so you can make them and then put them in a Ziploc bag. Well, basically make them in the Ziploc bag, and then you can put them in your freezer, and then they can become ice packs for your kids or something. Homemade ice packs. No ice needed. Just put it in the freezer and add little things in it, and they smell good. This one actually smells really good. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells good. Really good. Let me smell this one. Let me smell this one. Doesn't really have a smell. Maybe the blue one has a good smell. Mine had a great smell. I actually added just a little bit of this ginger massage oil, so it would smell a little bit like ginger. Oh, that's got a nice. That's the best smell that I smelled. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Guys, I know that they're like not Neatos, not dumplings, not jumbo squishies, but hey, homemade squishies I think are the best squishies. They're so nice. And no money. You don't gotta buy them. You don't gotta buy them. You don't gotta buy them. Anyway, guys, that was all of my sister's squishies. And in the next video, I'm gonna be making one for you guys. And I'm gonna look in my comments, and I'm gonna see how much. And okay, guys, in the comments right now, comment the color that you want the squishy that I'm gonna make in the video, because I really want to do that. Okay, get off. Because I really want to do that. And I'll ask my sister if I can give any of these away. I don't know how to give them away though, but I'll see. I'll see how to give them away to you guys. Oh, I dropped the neon pink one. But she said that she could never make this one again. The neon pink. Okay, I keep throwing them the neon pink, so I'm probably not gonna ask her to do that one. I'm just gonna randomly drop that. But these, I'll see if she'll let me give to one of you guys, okay? Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you guys for subscribing. I have 94 or 5 subscribers now, and I'm really happy because I used to have only 85 subscribers, and now I'm finally going to get close to 100. You guys are the best. Bye.